Hello, I want to explain about code paragraphs. I want to obtain expectmer move optional signal, real life signal. We have a sound signal is called Kong signal. We let's start. This is gong sound. This vehicle source the amplitude of the sound between time 05 and this source spectrum between 0 to 2 pi. You know that 2 pi is enough, and we say that calculation between the 0 to pi is enough. And how can we obtain costs? Look at this MATLAB. Here we use who function. You can see the result of this load function, and the after we will explain these paragraphs. You can see the result of this load function and the after line. Here sound signal. I want to values timetable. Why keep the sound values? And if you want to see the sound signal, you can use the fifth line of this code. This line shows the values of first 10 values. Also, we can the sixth line, I mean plot sounds. This is the graphical representation of sound. In line 7th, we can hear the sound using a sound function. If sound signal according the fs symbol of frequency, we can hear this sound in line ninth line. Now 1 hour fs time fft. Why? Maybe remember that x omega equal t. T I mean in capital letter, I mean times d omega. What is t in capital letter? Capital equal t capital letter equal 1 over f s. It is based on this multipute for transform by 1 over fs capital X time ff times fft sound signal. This the function fft. Look at here. This is fft function. You can like تمام. The remember formula x key and equals and start 0 goes to and minus 1 x in explanations. And remember that n equals 0 in minus 1 and minus 1 key equal 0 and n minus 1. Then we shall use to 4 to complicate this function. This function give us discrete for your sounds for values as. Then you can plot the amplitude of folio transform values x. Also, you can write the exercises values to buy out. I want to use radian frequency or hertz frequency. I want to make a little process to obtain frequency value in radian inside of pi to pi. Behavior 4, if I want to use radian 1000, 5000 like this, I should multiply omega by fs in radian. After that, I obtain in radian. In radian, if I want to obtain frequency in hertz, I should multiply the omega k values by fs over 2 pi. Using in MATLAB, I want to show the expresses in hertz using this quote high, convert it to frequency hertz, and also you can easily see that the period after this part I will show this part. This part show setting and bottling the one first part in enough. Look at here 0. Look at here 0 to 400 period. The only first part is enough. Is you can plot on the first part. Now, how can we interpret the spectrum move in one sense if we examine this spectrum? Most of the energy you have real life practical signal, sound signal, and if we examine this, most of energy is between 100 to 3000. We will show in bar graph. تمام. اوكي. In this frequency range 0 100 hertz to 3000 hertz. After their 1000 there are a little signal energy and wave passed on. You can say if we try to we want to design signal that uses particle sound signal, we should give attention to this frequency. Maybe you want to draw the spectrum, like for example mine's pi over 2 pi over 2 using FFT shift formal. You can draw the spectrum between minus 2 pi. That's all about this code and about 3 paragraphs. Thank you.